how to fix your Whoop is not syncing your data. So if you're missing data or your data is not syncing over to the Whoop app, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now we can fix this just by using the Whoop app itself. So on your Android or iPhone, just go and load up the Whoop app. Now over in the top right hand side, you'll see the Whoop icon. Go and click on this. And obviously we need to make sure that the Whoop is actually connected to the device. So if you go and click on Advanced, you can then scroll down this page, and first thing we're going to do is click on Firmware Check. Now this will check for any updates on the Whoop, and once you've done this, you'll need to click on Reboot Device. Now this will go and restart your Whoop, and once it's restarted, that's the first way to fix any missing data in the Whoop app. Now if it's still not working, we need to head over to the home screen on your phone and just go and load up the settings. Now make sure airplane mode is switched off, and then you need to go and select Bluetooth. Now make sure your Bluetooth is turned on like you see here, and underneath your devices you should be able to find your Whoop device. As you can see, mine is connected like so, and this ensures that all of our data is going to be synced over to the app. If it's still not working, you can head back over to the app and come back over to these advanced settings. So what you can try doing is clicking the Unpair Device button, and you can try unsyncing your device with the app. Once it's been disconnected, you'll then need to go through the steps to pair a device, and you'll need to reconnect your Whoop to the app. And once you've done this, you should then be able to see any missing data on the Whoop.